In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact support on eBay, a tutorial designed especially for beginners. Let's dive in and explore the easiest and most effective way to get the help you need when using this popular online marketplace. Whether you're facing a specific issue with a transaction, need help navigating the site, or want a bit of guidance with your account, eBay has a robust support system that can address your concerns promptly. To get started, you'll want to visit the eBay homepage. Once you're there, look towards the upper left corner of the page, where you'll spot the Help and Contact link. Clicking on this will be your first step toward finding the resolution you're seeking. This section is specifically designed to cater to a wide array of customer queries, so it's a great place to start. Now that you're in the Help and Contact section, it's time to narrow down the specifics of your issue. eBay provides a comprehensive list of common problems and topics that most users encounter. Take a moment to explore the options and choose the one that closely matches your situation. This might include issues related to buying, selling, shipping, or even account security. By honing in on your exact problem, you'll be better equipped to find a targeted solution and get back to enjoying eBay with ease. Once you've pinpointed your issue, the next step is to select the appropriate contact method. eBay offers several ways to reach their support team, each designed to suit different preferences and urgency levels. You can opt for live chat if you prefer real-time assistance, or choose to send a message for more detailed inquiries. Additionally, if you need immediate verbal communication, you might find phone support to be the best fit. Take some time to consider your preferred method of communication and proceed accordingly. Finally, you're ready to connect with eBay support. Depending on the method you selected, you'll either type out your query, engage in a live chat, or speak directly to a representative. During this interaction, be as clear and concise as possible. Provide all relevant information, such as transaction IDs, item numbers, or any correspondence you've had with other users related to your issue. The more precise your details, the easier it will be for the support team to assist you effectively. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to resolving any problems you might encounter on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, mastering how to contact support will undoubtedly enhance your experience on the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made your eBay journey a little bit smoother. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy shopping!